Hello everyone, this is Catalina and welcome back to my channel. This is the third and final update to my Tumbler project. It's going to be the last update. The next one will be the release, the actual release with the video instructions and everything. I'm still waiting on some components for lighting right now. I used some micro LEDs I got off Temu. I'll have links for everything. As you can see from the start here, there are a lot of small components. You'll have to be very careful when you screw them together. It will not be an easy print. Well, it will be an easy print, it won't be an easy assembly. You see all the small components here. You'll just have to be very careful. Everything works, everything snaps into place, but just be careful because of the size of the components. I only used 2.5 variations of 2.5 self-tapping screws from Bamboo Lab and some ordinary super glue. There is some 3D printed mesh in the wheel wells, and also, as you can see, the struts, these two struts also have some give to them to simulate an actual suspension. I stuck to the black metal and the copper aesthetic, just like in the movie. These windows are made from black acrylic, also, which I found on Temu. It's very cheap. I'll have a link later in the assembly video for it. The front wheels turn freely to the right and to the left, just like in the movie. Oh, by the way, you could 3D print. I will put a profile for the windows, but with 3D printing, you just don't get that shine, window type shine. That's why I went for the black acrylic. It's a bit difficult doing this with one hand, but the canopy opens like in the movie in two stages. I'll get it in just a moment. And it's also easy to pop off, so you can get a full look at the interior. You can also see the LED cables. I haven't hooked them up yet. I'm still waiting for a power source from Temu. It's going to be a 3 volt, I think. Those small pill batteries. Cable stuck here, no problem. The interior is, I would say, about 90% movie accurate. I tried to get every 3D printable detail possible in it. As for the screens, those are actual screenshots from the monitors inside the real Tumbler. I tried to make these chairs close to 100% movie accurate as possible. I think I succeeded about 99% here. They are made from a lot of components just because I wanted to get the colors right and the swiveling movements. They don't actually touch the floor like in the movie. They are hooked up with some pivoting arms in the back, both chairs. The console monitor swivels up, followed by the acceleration. You can see here how the sides are attached with the 2.5 self-tapping screws. And now for the second part of the video. This is something I haven't told the community, I haven't told anyone, but I also did the Batpod. It was much more challenging getting the dimensions right for this and getting all those, trying to get all those small components that really make a difference in this. Even inside the engine bay, as you can see. Also, this had a lot of cables around it. Those cables actually completed its look, made it much more real. So I, instead of 3D printing, trying to 3D print something like that, I used the regular black filament for it. Anyway, thanks for watching this, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like to see more content from me. Have a good day.